Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muafiq Rizan.
My name is Bala Chanda.
My name is Muhammad Nasir Akram Ahmad.
My name is Muhammad Fakrin Arif bin Mustari.
Okay, and today we're gonna present to you guys our IDP project that we have doing this project since week 1 in this semester. Okay, our title for our IDP project is Automated Watering System. The objective of the system is to support water management decision, which determine the controlling for the process and monitoring the whole system through Wi-Fi module and Blink apps. And also, the system will monitor the moisture sensor in the plant and provide sufficient amount of water required to the plant or tree crop. And okay, the system also can detect the temperature and the humidity of the plant. And lastly, this project will be low cost and effective with less power consumption using a sensor for remote monitoring and controlling device which are controlling using a Wi-Fi module, which is not MCU and Blink app. Fakir will continue this presentation.
Okay, thank you, Fik. For circuit diagram, firstly, we have a Node MCU ESP Wi-Fi development box. This often a complete and self-contained Wi-Fi networking solution. It is allow it to either force the application to offload all Wi-Fi networking function from another application process. Secondly, we have soil moisture sensor. Soil moisture sensor can be detect soil moisture when the soil moisture is dry. Thirdly, we have PIR motion sensor. This sensor detects motion by measuring change in the infrared level emitted by surrounding objective. Next, we have raindrop sensor. Raindrop sensor can detect it's raining. Next is relay module. It can control device. Next we have solenoid water valve. It can control the flow of fluid and acts as a valve between high pressure fluid. The last component is DHT11. DHT11 can detect temperature and humidity certain place. Okay, that's all from me.
So in the beginning, the starting of the system, the sensor and the system is turned on simultaneously, and this soil is measured, the moisture of it. So if the soil is dry, the soil moisture sensor is turned on along with the relay, and the pump from the Blink app is turned on, and water is automatically pumped to the plant. However, if there is a rainfall, the raindrop sensor will detect it and the user will not turn on the pump button since there is already water from rainfall. On another note, when the system is also turned on, the DHT11 sensor is also turned on and it measures the temperature and humidity of the soil and will appear on the Blink app. That's all from me.
This is our project, IDP project, which is automatic watering system. As you can see, this is our source, battery, 12-volt battery and solar. And because we use solar and battery, so we're gonna use solar charge controller. This to make sure to regulate the source to make sure there is no overload in our circuit. Okay, as you can see, this is our main circuit that like we show in our circuit diagram.
Okay, right now I'm gonna test the soil moisture sensor.
See, this is our Blink apps. This, as you can see, the soil moisture right now is 1024, and the temperature and the humidity is 34.6 degrees Celsius, and the humidity is 49. And at the above there is a PR moisture sensor, our water pump, and our notification button. So if we turn on the pump,
there should be water will flow. And okay, the water is flow right now. So we're gonna plant right now.
as you can see, there's water. And okay, right now our soil moisture, the value of soil moisture is decreased because there's presence of liquid in our plant. So this show that our sensor is working properly. Okay, and right now I will test for the PR moisture sensor. I just use my hand as a motion. Yes, there's a pop-up notification that show motion detected. Okay, and I will close the water pump. And no water is flow. I'm gonna test for the raindrop sensor. When I put some water on it, it should pop out the notification. Okay, right now as you can see, the value for the soil moisture, temperature, and humidity keep changing. This is because we imply the real-time implementation. We imply the real-time implementation, which the value will be keep changing according to the surrounding.
Okay, I will continue the session. Last but not least, we all agree to conclusion that our project is to help the farmer to easy their work, and automatic watering system is integrated with to IoT platform. Link could perform the function of watering the plant according to the purpose of the research. When the device active or detective or the watering function, the system send a function to the blink X. The system include a watering further that show the soil moisture value and display the information in the blind X. That's all from me. Thank you.